Hello friends, I am Prakash Vishwanath Dhupte from Julilal Institute of Technology, Nagpur. Today my topic is environmental and sustainability alternate refrigerants. So first of all, let us see what do you mean by refrigeration. Refrigeration is related to the cooling of air or liquid or providing lower temperature to preserve food, cool beverages, making ice, or any other purpose. Now, the principle of refrigeration is dominated by vapor compression refrigeration technology, means VCRS cycle that you know, which depend on the thermodynamic principle of the reverse Carnot cycle. Now, what do you mean by refrigerant? Everybody is aware with this term refrigerant because in household domestic refrigerator, in your air conditioner, there is some refrigerant which flow throughout and gives cooling. So refrigerant are used as a working substance in refrigeration system. The main concern is that the depletion of ozone layer. So the greatest concentration of ozone are found from 12 to 50 kilometer above the earth, forming a layer which is known as stratosphere. And in present refrigerant, the CFC refrigerant is having chlorofluorocarbons which affect the ozone layer, and the deflation of ozone layer is due to this CFC molecules. Now you can see through this reaction how this chlorofluorocarbon is making the ozone layer, ozone hole bigger, due to which the consequence is skin cancer, cataracts, less immunity, snow blindness, and various such harmful diseases due to this depletion of ozone layer. To overcome this problem, we will see some eco-friendly refrigerants. Now at present you must know that the R134 in your air conditioning you are using, and in refrigerant there is a series of freon gases which use, and some eco-friendly refrigerants are present through which we can reduce these emissions of CFC. So first is halocarbon refrigerant. Now you can see here the series of halocarbon refrigerant. Then we see the inorganic refrigerant. So inorganic refrigerant most commonly we use in making the ice plant. In ice plant we can see ammonia, carbon dioxide, water, air, sulfur. Then one more azeotropic refrigerant, which is having vapor and liquid phase. Refrigerant was vapor and liquid phases, and there is a wide temperature range for azeotropic refrigerant. Same in zeotropic refrigerant, this mixture of one whose composition is liquid phase differ to the plant in vapor phase. So you can see in the slide the various zeotropic refrigerant. These all are the eco-friendly refrigerant, as we have discussed the inorganic refrigerant also. Thank you so much.